Do you want to see a bird? I'll show you the birds. They're so lovely. Their color, it's bright green. They're all so cute. I apologize if I'm disturbing them, but I'm sure I'm not hurting them. I'm just happy seeing them flying, but I'm just taking my very little step not to disturb them, but I really want to disturb them. Charot! But I will not harm them, I promise. See? They are so lovely. If you were afar, you really can't see them because they have the same color with the grass. I will go closer.